Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix my VPN isn't connecting or not VPN. If your NordVPN isn't connecting, it's kind of frustrating. So here are a few things you can try. One, you can check your internet connection. Ensure you have a working internet connection before connecting to NordVPN. It is like trying to drive a car without gas. Two, you can try a different server. Sometimes a NordVPN server might be busy or temporarily unavailable. Try connecting to a different server in the same or different country altogether. Next, you can restart the NordVPN app. Just close the app completely and open it again. This often fixes minor glitches. Then last, or let's say the one before the last, you have to restart your device. This classic turn it off and on again trick often works for VPN problems too. So just restart your computer, your phone, or your tablet, or whatever device you're using, and that should take care of it. And if it doesn't, then ensure you have installed the new version of the NordVPN app, because new versions come with some fixed bugs. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.